Welcome back, Kick and Gravelers, to the Bitcoin market update. Today is February the 18th, 2020. We had a heck of a day today. Let's jump into Bitcoin. BTC USD on the 1 day for Coinbase is $10,185. We had a just gorgeous day popping to the upside. Now, the trend for Bitcoin has not been broken and it's still saying stay in it. So that's what I'm thinking about. Real quick on the Bitcoin, let's go to the weekly, and I just wanted to reference stochastics. If I hide some of this stuff, there you go. Stochastics are looking good. They're floating up above the, what would that be? Overbought line is right around 40%. It's just floating like a butterfly. It's beautiful. Looks like in our last high, we did get closer to that 88, 90 area. So yeah, stochastics are looking great. That's one of the reasons why on the weekly Bitcoin, it didn't really look like a top to me either. It's just one of those things. Stochastic doing a good job there of keeping us in the trade. Let's jump into Litecoin, LTC, BTC, Litecoin, Bitcoin on the 1 day. Let's go back to the 1 day. There we go. And there we go. Okay, so it's still a stay out of it situation here. There's nothing here that is saying, hey, get in it. Nothing yet for Litecoin. We did have a pretty good day. It wicked up pretty high, but it's still a stay out of it. Now, I anticipate maybe 1 or 2 more days before working our way up. That's a possibility. But, oh man, something happened here. Oh no, not again. Let's try this. Yeah, man, I use multiple devices in my trading, so things get wonky. There's trouble with the... Oh no, this is not good. Man. Okay, so a lot of these should have been sells. You can see that a lot of them are green over here. So we're going to have to go through these one at a time. So LTC, BTC, we're going to get out of that. You should have been out of it already. Style. Let's drop this thing. Okay. Let's get rid of that. There you go. Okay, LTC USD is also a stay out of it situation. Yep, stay out of it for now. It's trying. It's really trying right now, but it's still stay out of it. ETH BTC, still a stay in it. Looking good from down here. What are we at with ETH? ETH has just been a beast. All right, we're at 44% in 20 days. Beautiful, beautiful. ETH USD is at 280, and that one is also a stay in it situation with 67% in 22 days. So stay in that. Tezos BTC, stay in it, looking sharp. Where's Tezos? Tezos is an absolute monster and giving us 96% in 20 days. So yeah, I got a lot of grief about this right here. My heart is broken. Okay, so Tezos USD, stay in that one as well. Bitcoin Cash BTC, let's turn that red and leave that there. Okay, yep, it's pulling back, continuing its downtrends, continue to stay out of it. Bitcoin Cash USD is still a buy, however. So from our uptrend here, it's still a buy. It's still continuing to move over there. We did get a lower low on RSI. That's interesting. But we did get a lower low over here as well, right? From here to here. So, and maybe that's not an indicator at all. I'm just looking at things, just trying to piece it all together. Bitcoin Cash USD, stay in it. Ethereum Classic BTC is still a sell. It has been for, well, how many days has it been? It's been a sell for 10 days. So this is the 10th day here on our pullback for Ethereum Classic. Now, it did seem a little risky to get out here, right? And not here, okay? But in the grand scheme of things, if you're buying and selling the 9, which you should be, okay? I keep harping on that. Then it's not really that big a deal, like from here to here, right? But we had to have confirmation, and we got it, and it's, there we go. And it's rolling down. Let's see if this Kumo cloud can hold it up, but so far not so good. Ethereum Classic USD, still a sell, stay out of that. What's interesting to me is that this out of the gate Ethereum Classic was just a monster. It was going so good. And now I'm hoping that this USD price on Ethereum Classic can hold the 50-day moving average and the Kumo cloud. It's got to hold there, and maybe we can rally in this area before pumping to the upside. XRP BTC, still a stay in it. Barely. XRP USD, stay in this one as well. We had a little better day today than yesterday, and it's pushing price a little higher at 29 cents. Stay in it. EOS BTC, still a sell, stay out of it. Let's flip that over. EOS USD, that's still a sell also. It's trying to rally, but it's not there yet. Dash BTC is still a sell. Dash USD is still a sell. Yep. That's too bad. That's really too bad. Stellar Lumens BTC. Stellar Lumens is still a buy. Stellar Lumens USD is still a buy. Rep BTC is still a sell. Rep USD is a sell. Let's put that red. 0x BTC, still a buy. 0x USD is still a buy also. ZEC BTC, stay out of it. And ZEC USDC, the US dollar price, is still a sell as well. Though it's trying to rally. Look, it's got 2 days of green here. That's good. Good news. But it's still a sell. Algo USD, stay in it. Link USD is also a stay in it. It's pushing. Yep. BAT, basic intention token, USDC is still a buy. Wow. So look how low it got, and it still wasn't a sell. You see how it's pushing up, and then bam, 2 hard days of sell off with these wicks. Never was a sell. This is, if you sold down here, it breaks my heart, because that's exactly what the market wants you to do. It wants to shake out. This is a weak hand shakeout right here on BAT. Stay in it. OXT USD. Still a sell. GNT USDC. Stay in it. Okay, so a lot of things. This is another situation. GNT is a weak hand shakeout. We had a clear double top here, right? And a bullish engulfing candle here. But the very next day, it rallied up, and then it rallied up, and looks like we're rallying up again. Okay, so, yeah, this is tough. I mean, if you're following a trend trade, you're gonna be all right, but even that, it won't get you out of the top. You can see with Bitcoin, Litecoin hasn't got me out at the top. On this last move, but it will get you, keep you in the trade when things look very doom and gloom. Okay, GNT USDC. Let's pull this back down. That's a little crazy. That's crazy. Stay in it. This one here. Let's pull that up. Yeah, you can see that stochastic is trying to roll back up to the upside. Interesting. Mana USD. Oh boy. Look at the day to day. Oh, wow. beautiful. This is awesome. Okay. There you go. Gotta lock it down now. Buy on the 9, hopefully. Mana USD is a buy it. Wow, beautiful. Okay, let's save this and go to Loom. Loom USD is still a buy. Stay in it. Civic USDC, still a buy. DNT USD, stay out of it for now. Atom BTC, stay out of it. Going back to DNT, yeah, there you go. And Civic is still a buy. There you go. Atom USD is $4.44 and is still a sell. This poor thing is having a rough time. It appears that it wants to rally, but on the 12-hour. But we don't trade that. We're trading the daily. So keep an eye on this. How about total market cap at 290 billion? We did get a push to the upside. What is this thing telling me? What is it saying? Wow, I gotta zoom way in there. All right. So here's our entry. I know I tagged this before too. That's so frustrating. Yeah, and remove that and lock this down. Okay, so that was our entry. There's really no entry for total market cap. It's just saying I think it's gonna go bull from here again. And that would have been just a exit here, enter here. Okay, that's total 2. Let's check out. No, that's total 1. Check total 2 is 105 billion, and we did get a push to the upside, and that also looks bullish right here. And let's just move that green. Push this one up a little bit, lock it down. And yeah. It looks good. Yeah. Bitcoin dominant 63.76. Bitcoin dominance is a funny one. Yeah, it's trying to rally here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. But this looks toppy to me right here, and I think it's actually going to roll back over. There's lots of times when volume comes in and then it can't push above the 20 or even the 50-day moving average, and then it dies off. So others dominance is at 7.30 and is still a kind of stand-it situation for others. So you're looking at the others market still kind of, it's going to rally, I think, and start pushing to the upside. Bitcoin is still kind of in this dip area where it's dipped down, and that's why you're not seeing others dominance really punch. They will. I would say probably around here on the beginning of March, you might see them really punch to the upside. Back to Bitcoin. Yeah, we're getting a pullback here, and we should get a pullback to at least the 9, maybe even the 20. So it could come back all the way down to 98. Don't freak out if you see that. It's healthy, right? It's okay. We're in that area of switching where it goes, green, red, green, red, green, red, green. We should have a red day here. Okay. This is just consolidation. Bulls and bears kind of, going back and forth. It's not a big deal. Nothing has said sell it yet. Volume hasn't dumped hard enough yet. And our indicators are still looking okay. That being said, it actually looks like on the daily, stochastics are wanting to rally and roll back up to the upside. That's what it looks like to me. We might have a golden cross inbound unless we get some real hard sell off, and then we could attempt it on another good green day tomorrow. Because that might straighten it out, and then it might want to cross. So I'm looking for more sideways or down today. LTC is still a sell. I mean, that's just the way it is with LTC. And it might hit the bottom area of that Bollinger Band at 007248. Yeah, it's possible it could pull all the way back down to there. It's good to see. It's really good to see this Litecoin though kind of consolidate. Litecoin, Bitcoin has been consolidating for 20 days. 20 days in this region here, this big box. And yeah, that's fine. That's totally fine. LTC, again, we're going to look at that. It's back testing the 9 currently. I'd like to see it for Litecoin itself. It's on... Oh, it'll probably go the 20 today at 74. So you probably lose like $2. But volume is coming in on Litecoin. That's great. Okay, well, I guess that's it for today, guys. Thanks so much. God bless you guys. Hope your trades are going well. Yeah, that's it. See ya. I'm out.